Okay, we're back on the road. And we're going on a big excursion today out to the Rice Terraces, the Holy Temple, Ancient Temple, waterfall. Charlie might do a swing. What are you looking forward to, Paddy?
I'm looking forward to going on the big swing.
Oh, you're going to go on the swing, do you think? So you'll see the Rice Terraces have two names. There's the Ceking Rice Terraces and there's the Tegalalang Rice Terraces. And they're exactly the same place, they just got two different names. And there's a various kind of different packages you can get when you go there. The package we got because one of my oldest son wanted to do the Zipline, and that's quite expensive. That was about 30 to 35 Australian dollars by itself. Or you can get a swing package where you can do about 3 or 4 different swings for around the same price, about $25, $30 Australian, that is. You can just do one swing if you want to, and you get this photo packages. There's a little restaurant there as well. So what we did is the two of our kids, the younger two, got the swing package. My oldest son got the zip line, and that's what they did. And it was like, it's really fun. It's not a particularly different or spectacular rice terrace to many others that you'll just come across in the Ubud area. But then the addition of the swings and the zip lines and all the little paths and tracks you can follow does make it really fun. And we ended up staying here probably about an hour longer than I expected us to. I thought, oh, we'll just go and have a swing and that'll be done. But we ended up staying there for a good couple of hours, and it was really, really quite enjoyable.
Yeah.
Yeah, Charlie. Yeah, mate.
You ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, and go.
Let's go! Going backwards!
What's up?
Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's go! Oh my, look at that view!
Okay, what do you think?
Oh, it was really good. I can't see much rice paddies down there, but over there, there's so many. And you can see a lot.
Is it fast?
Yeah, it's pretty fast. At the start, you go pretty fast, and then they've got like this weird lock thing that when you hit, it slows you down. I think it actually is worth $30. Might be a bit too expensive, but it's pretty good.
Alright, sweet, let's go to the next thing. Yeah, Paddy. Go, Paddy!
Okay.
Yeah, Paddy, go, Paddy!
Good, Paddy!
Why do you keep saying oh? It just makes me...
Yes, Paddy!
Lean back your body.
Yes, I am, Jazz! Yeah, she's probably just... Yeah!
Alrighty, quick review. We're at the Ceking rice paddies about half an hour north of the centre of Ubud, in Bali, Indonesia, or Indonesia. Here it is. They've been here for about 2 hours. Look, and at first I was a bit not so confident it was going to go well, just because the kids are talking a big game about doing these huge swings that are going to go over the valley, and my oldest want to go on a zip line, and it's $30 a shot, and yeah, for 12 seconds of entertainment or whatever, half a second's worth of entertainment each. Anyway, we did it, and it was actually awesome, and the kids had a really great time. We got some amazing photos and video, and it's all set up pretty well. We're here on a Sunday as well, which we're told was a busy day. It's not too bad, you know. The only thing is that the rice paddies at the moment are brown because they've just picked them all, harvested them all. So they come when they're green, but you know, don't really get that choice. You're either here or you're not. And if you go up the valley, I just flew the drone further over the valley. Super green in the next valley. Yeah, so it's a bit pricey. I think we spent well over $100 here, but we've got a couple of hours of entertainment for 5, and yeah, I've enjoyed it. Definitely worth it. People are actually working these rice paddies, by the way. Rice terraces there. They're not for show. There's a couple of big swings. There's 1,000 little Instagram points up there for those who are down with such things. And there's the zip line, goes from there all the way across to over there, then you walk up and you come back. So my son really rated it, he loved it. No. There's no package deals really. You get a family package or bundle a couple of things together, you just paying outright for each thing, which I guess gives you the choice to choose what you do and don't want to do. I've seen people walking over here, but I'm really not sure how you get there. Anyway, I'll work that out. But do it. If you're in Ubud, do it. I'm Chris Stead. Check you later.